Light up some rosemary. It can bring many benefits into your life. Cut a few sprigs of rosemary and leave them in a dry, airy place until they're completely dry. Prepare a small container and place a little candle inside. Any one you have at home will do. Now grab some coarse salt. It creates a protective layer, brings a sense of calm, and doesn't burn when heated. Pour the salt around the candle, covering the entire surface. Once everything is ready, add the dried rosemary leaves, spreading them evenly over the salt so that only the wick remains visible. Light the candle and let the aromatic smoke of rosemary slowly fill the room. After just a few moments, you'll notice the air feeling fresher and the atmosphere in your home becoming warmer and more harmonious. This simple ritual helps you relax, clear your mind of negative thoughts, and attract positive energy. The candle also works perfectly against insects. It helps keep flies, mosquitoes, and other bugs away. Combine a lit candle with VaporRub. The results will surprise you. Take a pan and place some plain white candles in it, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use tongs to remove the wicks from the melted candles and place them on a board. Add 1 tablespoon of VaporRub to the melted wax and stir thoroughly, ensuring the two ingredients are well combined. Next, take a small glass container and pour the melted wax with VaporRub into it. Add a few cloves to the mixture. Finally, insert the wick, adjusting it to the right height. Hold it in place with a clip to prevent it from falling in. Once the wax hardens, remove the clip. Your candle is now ready. Light it, and you're done. The candle contains VaporRub, which is known for its antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. This type of candle is great for clearing the airways during a cold. Don't throw away your empty air freshener refill. The creators of air fresheners don't want you to know this. If your air freshener is empty, I have a trick to make your house smell amazing again. You don't need to buy a new refill. Here's how to make a homemade air freshener for just pennies. Simply create this incredible mixture, and your air freshener will be like new. Get a small bowl, pour 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, and dilute it with 1 tablespoon of water. Add about a tablespoon of cloves. Then add 2 teaspoons of fabric softener for a beautiful fragrance. Mix everything thoroughly to combine the ingredients. Pour the mixture into the air freshener container along with the cloves. This will help the cloves release their scent longer. Finally, place the tube back and screw on the cap. You can shake it a little more. Now just plug it into the socket and wait for the beautiful fragrance to fill the air. Additionally, cloves will help repel insects like mosquitoes, flies, and ants. Your home will smell amazing and be insect-free. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is 1 small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. This is a simple way to make your home smell clean and fresh. Additionally, it's a great method to keep your house free from insects and pests. I've never had such a lovely fragrance in my home before. Prepare a small bowl and some sea salt. Add 4 tablespoons of salt to the bowl and smooth it out with a spoon. Now, take a smaller bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol with 1 tablespoon of water. It's important to keep the proportions correct. Pour this mixture into the bowl with salt and mix thoroughly. The alcohol will prolong the effect of the air freshener. Press the mixture down firmly. Next, add a measure of your favorite fabric softener. Mix everything together and press it down again. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. This oil not only smells pleasant, but also repels flies, mosquitoes, and ants. As an additional repellent, stick some cloves into the mixture. For us, cloves smell wonderful, but for insects, they're a natural deterrent. Now your air freshener is ready. You can place it around your home. The best spots are near windows, on tables, or in the bathroom. This air freshener will repel bugs from your home. They hate this scent. It costs next to nothing to make, and the effect is amazing. Your home will smell great for a long time. Do it with your vacuum cleaner, and cleaning will become even more effective. You definitely have this popular spice in your kitchen. Sprinkle a small amount on the floor, or if you don't want to put it directly on the surface, place it on a plate instead. Then vacuum it up. As you clean, all the dust, dirt, pet hair, and microbes get collected in the vacuum bag or bin. Over time, unpleasant odors can build up inside your vacuum. That's where this spice comes in, cinnamon. Cinnamon acts as a natural deodorizer. It absorbs bad smells while releasing a warm, pleasant scent that spreads throughout your home. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. By adding cinnamon to your vacuuming routine, you can prevent nasty odors and enjoy long-lasting freshness. It's a great way to boost hygiene and make every vacuuming session both effective and aromatic. Light up some cinnamon. It's the secret of millionaires. In their homes, you can feel an extraordinary energy and the scent of wealth. And the method is very simple. Start by preparing bay leaves. They have their characteristic spicy scent. Crush them into a small bowl. They help to get rid of unpleasant odors in the home. Additionally, the scent of bay leaves repels insects. But bay leaves also have a calming effect. They eliminate stress and tension. Sprinkle a few tablespoons of salt on the leaves. Salt is the best product for perfuming interiors. Fragrances made with salt as a base are natural and long-lasting. But that's not all. Add cloves. Their scent improves mood and well-being. Few people know that they add positive energy and motivation. Sprinkle cloves with salt. Salt enhances the aroma of spices. Additionally, use your favorite fabric softener. The scent of bay leaves and cloves, although positively affecting us, does not have as intense a fragrance as fabric softener. Pour the cap and pour it over the salt in the bowl. Take cinnamon sticks and insert them into the container filled with spices and salt. Hotels and spa salons often use this trick to create an exceptionally rich scent and aroma. Light the cinnamon with a lighter or matches. Just light them a little to extract the best from this homemade diffuser. The extraordinary scent and positive energy that the spices used in it provide.